gadget that we have today is in a big box.
So I think this is a typewriter. It looks like a typewriter.
You've been here before?
No, but I've seen it in some like pictures and stuff.
So, do you know what a typewriter is for?
I think a typewriter, well, people in the old days, they used to use a typewriter.
In the old days, yeah. Steady on.
To me anyway, for like emails and because they didn't have phones. Maybe go plug that in right there.
Yeah, plug that in. Well, because you plug it in, it's obviously a digital typewriter.
Yeah.
Is it digital or electric?
We'll cut that bit out. I don't know what I'm doing, but Hezzy seems to know what he's doing. Hez, you don't use typewriters, so how do you know what
Because I've seen films.
This is insane.
Hezzy, I love your technical mind. Okay.
Yes, look.
Oh, yeah.
Kids are truly incredible, I'm telling you.
Wow. It's so loud.
It is so loud.
Isn't it, Ruth?
Right, I love football so much. I can see it.
Here we go.
I love football so much.
There it is.
I'm gonna write Harper Ray.
Okay, all right.
Okay, you're going to write your sister's name. That's nice.
Thank you.
H.
Here we go.
R. P.
Go, Ruth.
E. R.
Harper Ray.
There you go.
I'm very, very impressed, kids, with the way you've been able to make that work. They're in their own world. And you can get all your names on the paper.
Yeah.
And then you've got that as a souvenir from your days using a typewriter.
Thank you very much, Gadget Shop.
Thank you, Gadget Shop.